Hey guys, how are you? My name is Juanis, this is Lias from Hephaestus Trading Desk. Are you okay with this crazy market? How do you feel? Do you remember what I told you the previous time? The previous time I told you that the neo stock will decline further. Do you remember what you said the previous time? As I told you, the neo stock is declining more. I told you the previous time the first price target is here in $13. Now we are in 13 and 55 cents. The first target is here, and then due to lockdown intensify in China and the inflation pressure, the next price target for the neo is here between 90.83 and $10.50 is the next price target after this target. Maybe today or tomorrow we will reach it just, and then we will see more pain to $10. Until then, as I told you, I am accurate 100%. Keep it touch for the next my video and subscribe on my channel. Goodbye.